Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for your overwhelming response in my yesterday's video, which obviously got into YouTube recommendations. So thank you so much, you guys, and obviously this motivated me to make a new video on my my Neo 7 Pro. So today we will be doing a charging test of this Neo 7 Pro with this 120 watt biggie charger. That is the big daddy of this new 7 Pro. So let's check it out, guys. So now we are starting with our charging test of this iqoo Neo 7 Pro. I'll show you that you can see that only 1% of the battery is there in this phone. So now we'll charge this phone with the help of this 120 watt charger, and let's see. Switching on the power. Now it's started, and now we'll start the stopwatch. 25% of the battery has been charged in just near about 5 minutes. It's 8 minutes, but still the smartphone battery is charging at around 37%. So obviously the company has claimed that 50% of the charging would be done in just 8 minutes. So I don't think it's a fact, but still I want to continue with the charging test so that I can know the reality. That the smartphone battery charging is 50% in 11 minutes, around 11 minutes 16 seconds around, but the company was claiming that the charging would be done in just 8 minutes. It's 30 minutes and 41 seconds of the time it is taking to get the charging of 100% at this smartphone, which is Neo 7 Pro iqoo's with 120 watt charger. Well, now it's time for the final verdict. So obviously I'll give a disclaimer that when I was doing this charging test, the air conditioning at the room was not working. So, and the weather is also humid. So the results were quite shocking. But the company claimed that 50% of the charging would be done in just 8 minutes. But the reality was 50% of the charging was being done at around 11 minutes in some seconds, and 37% of the charging was at around 8 minutes. So obviously the company was claiming was not, according to me, that was not practical. And another thing, the final thing, that is the 100% charging of the smartphone was being done at 30 minutes 40 some seconds with the 120 watt charging. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you can never miss a video whenever I upload the content on this channel. Thank you so much.